What's good, YouTube? I'm back at it again with another video, and of course I got my Cali sweater. You know what I'm saying? This is the old sweater. It means a lot to me, so I love this a lot. And yeah, but we're not gonna get right to it about this sweater today. I got another package for you guys from a different plug, so I hope y'all like it. And no, I don't know. And of course, even if I'm putting enough said than that about what is gonna be hinted on here, why don't we get to the shoes? All right. Also, if you are new to my channel, go down below and subscribe. Don't be afraid. I'm always here. You can always hit me up on IG at Bino_1999EST. All right, that's Bino, B-I-N-O, if you know how to spell. But yeah, other than that, ooh, okay, Air Jordan 1 box. I see. All right, what we got in here? What we got? Ooh, ooh, okay. Yo, this is exciting. Oh, hold up, we got a little interrupter. Fuck that shit. Okay, then. We got the Pine Green 2.0s. Damn, man. Damn, man. Let me tell y'all, if you grew up in Boston and you are a Boston Celtics fan, this is the shoe to wear to playoffs or to a game on a regular basis. All right. Now, I'm not saying I'm a Celtics fan. I like the Celtics, but I'm not like a fan. All right. Like, there's only one good player on the Celtics for me that I grew up watching. That was Paul Pierce. That was just it. But this shoe right here, you got to take this to the game for sure. And of course, if y'all don't know, green is my favorite color. Even though like every specific people have different color signs, but my favorite color is green. Green is always, and green will be. I have 3 colors, but this is one of them. But this pair is really amazing. I love this shoe. I love the Jordan 1 in general, because any color you can put on this shoe, I don't care. I'll still rock it to the fullest. I'll still wear it. Hell, even if it gets dirty, I'll still clean that. I'll still clean it up. You see, I almost cussed at that part, but nah. But I love this shoe a lot. I really do. Check out the insole as well. Insole, green and white. Of course, Celtics jersey. Bottom, green. Tumble leather, black. Top, green as well. Backside, got the hourglass shape right here. Green as well, too. But yeah, man. Tongue, green and black. This is like the most perfect shoe not to get dirty in, for sure. And to top this off, I'll give this shoe a 9 out of 10. Why I give it a 9 out of 10? That's a good question. I've seen people talk about these. I've seen people wear these a lot. I've seen people saying that this is like the best shoe for them to go on a regular basis with their girl or hang out with their best friends and all that stuff. Really dope, man. It's really dope. To me, I'm happy I got a pair of Pine Greens now, because there's different versions of the Pine Greens. There's the other version, which is women's, and there's the Lucky ones, which has that green Nike emblem right here and stuff. But yeah, I wish I had those. That would be kind of tight, and I would wear those on for you as well too. But yeah, I'm glad we got this one. So shout out to the plug for sending me this. I appreciate you guys for sending me this, and I also appreciate you guys for watching this video too. And let me pull out the other pair. Of course, it comes with green laces. Come on, if you're not from Beantown, you don't wear green laces with your shits, I don't know what to tell you. This right here, this has to be a Boston favorite for sure. Of course, if you wear this to a playoff game in front of the Celtics, I'm pretty sure they will hype them up for sure. But I don't know, man. How y'all feel about these? Are y'all a Pine Greens fan? Do some of y'all rock with green or not? Like, let me know. Let me know in the comment section below. Do y'all rock with green for sure? But that may be in for another time. Now, enough said about the shoe. Let's get to this on-foot review. Let's go.